There's not a lot of time. They're coming. The timeline is in danger. It will be up to you guys to fix it. You are our only hope. I'm going to send you back in time to fix the progression of technology. But first you will have to learn and reinvent it before you can change your path. Just remember, don't. Society began when people banded together to form civilizations, shifting from hunter-gatherer ways. It turns out that people working together can accomplish more. Some of humanity's first advancements were in farming. It was more efficient to grow food and breed animals than to hunt for animals and gather fruits and berries every day. It wasn't long until people needed a way to count goods and exchange things. I will take 3 of your wheat for 5 of your berries. The need for counting and measuring led to the creation of numbers, and with the creation of numbers came about the need to keep track of numbers. Numbers are very, very important to modern technology. Every piece of technology is just a bunch of data, aka numbers, specifically ones and zeros. The purpose of technology is to help us with different calculations, so it is only fitting that we start at the beginning with numbers.